Hey there, Instagram enthusiasts! Are you tired of seeing that pesky couldn't refresh feed error while browsing through your Instagram? Well, you're not alone. In today's video, we're diving deep into this common issue and how to quickly fix it. So, let's not waste any more time and jump right in. Reason number 1, poor internet connection. One of the most common reasons for the couldn't refresh feed error is a poor internet connection. If your internet is slow or keeps dropping out, Instagram can't download the latest posts. To check if your connection is the culprit, run an internet speed test or try other apps like YouTube to see if they work smoothly. Reason number 2, outdated app. Another culprit could be your outdated Instagram app. If you haven't updated it in a while, glitches might occur, including the dreaded refresh error. Keep all your apps, not just Instagram, up to date to avoid issues and protect your info from hackers. Reason number 3, server downtime or platform glitch. Sometimes, the problem isn't on your end at all. Instagram's servers can occasionally misbehave. Server downtime is rare but possible, causing various errors. If you've got a strong connection and an updated app but still face the error, it might be Instagram's servers. Reason number 4, account block. Now, here's the worst case scenario, your account gets blocked by Instagram. This can happen if you break Instagram's rules. You might see the error while scrolling your feed, but eventually, you'll be locked out until Instagram lifts the ban. But don't worry. We've got solutions to fix these. Number 1, update your app. First, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Visit your app store, find Instagram, and hit update. Number 2, check your internet. Next, sort out your internet. Shift to a different network or wait for a temporary issue to resolve. Number 3, clear app cache. Clear your app cache. On Android, head to Settings, Apps, find Instagram, and tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, it's similar. Number 4, log out and log in. Log out and log back in. This simple step works for many users. Number 5, uninstall and reinstall. If nothing else works, uninstall Instagram, then reinstall it from your app store. Number 6, check date and time. Ensure your device's date and time are accurate. Turn on automatic time and date control for good measure. Number 7, contact Instagram support. Finally, if all else fails, contact Instagram support through the app settings. In conclusion, the couldn't refresh feed error on Instagram can be a nuisance, but it's fixable. Whether it's a connection issue, an outdated app, or a server glitch, we've covered various fixes. So, fret not, and get back to scrolling through your Instagram feed hassle-free. Thanks for tuning in today, and remember, Instagram errors can be conquered with a little know-how.